This is how I got this photo of a cute squirrel peeking over the edge of a pond. Like all wildlife photographers know, if you don't have your camera with you, you're going to end up coming across everything and missing out on some amazing opportunities. And that's what happened to me when I was out sitting in the garden, enjoying the sun, and the squirrel came climbing down this fence, bounded over to the edge of the pond, perched itself up, and then started having a drink. At the time, I was trying to stay completely still so that I wouldn't scare it, and it was amazing to watch it happening so closely. But as soon as it had happened, I really wished I was able to capture that moment with my camera. So to make sure this didn't happen again, whenever I went out into the garden, my camera came with me. After days and days of me doing this, the exact same scenario happened again, but this time I was able to get the perfect photo that I was hoping for. So I'm going to show you the photo again in some more detail now. I really hope you like it.